In an online world, people's self-image and identity can be connected to what they see online. This not only includes the social media accounts of their friends and other peers, but also all the social media accounts of celebrities and other people who might make kids feel less than themselves. Now, in this technological world, it is our job as teachers to let students know that who they are online is not necessarily who they are in real life. And this applies to those accounts that they see that make them feel bad about themselves. People are trying to put out the best image of themselves, whether or not that is truthful. So, as teachers, we have to make sure that kids are informed about the fact that who they are online is not who they are in person, and who they are in person should be the best versions of themselves.